So hello aspirants, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malathia, the pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So good news for all my dear aspirants that from the NBE regarding your NEET MDS 2022 examination. So from tomorrow, that's the 4th January 3 p.m. the forms are going to be available and the authenticate website for that is nbe.edu.in. All information I'm going to share in the description box also, and the last date for form filling is 24 January. So aspirant, please have all the necessary documents and steps you need to take care regarding form filling. Already the video have been uploaded. You can check out our NEET MDS playlist in which I have told what all documents you require and how you have to fill the form. Okay aspirant, so the date, that's a March 6 2022 for your NEET MDS exam is finalized. So aspirant, please keep on working and all the best. And any doubt any of you have regarding form filling, you can DM me. The number is there in description box. Also you can message on our website, that is mdsdentalacademy.in. and any of you want to join our revision series, revision master series, which you are going to start for exams or a test series, you can DM us. Till then aspirant, take care, work hard and all the best.